The Laughing Witch by Andrew Newman. To all who laugh. Once upon a time, when witches were wild and free, there lived a laughing witch beneath the witch's tree. She had a great big cauldron and a great big cat. She rode a great big broomstick and wore a great big hat. This witch was very crafty. She knew the hidden path. She understood which flowers would make a person laugh. She laughed when she was flying, laughed when she made spells. If you heard her laugh, you'd be sure to laugh as well. She knew the forest backward. She loved the bugs and weeds. Each one had its value. All were treasured seeds. She spoke to furry creatures, the winged ones and the clawed. She practiced gentle kindness. In reverence she adored. Why, hello, everyone. Hi, how are you? Hello, little guy. To begin her spells, she would cry, "Honor the earth, honor the sky." Honor the north, the east, the south, honor the west, came out her mouth. She called to the ones who lived here before. I welcome your wisdom, your love I adore. In a minute of silence she opened her heart. Then all was ready for fire to start. When the flames were jumping, the cauldron hot, she added her spices, prepared her pot. Let's see, a dash of this, a dash of that, ooh, and a dab of this. She followed each spell with precision and care, never wasting ingredients, all precious and rare. She knew spells to fix bones, spells to build parts, spells to change lives, and spells to mend hearts. Spells to break curses, spells to change moods, spells to heal illness, and spells to cook food. Once ready, all simmered, she took from the pot the smallest of offerings to bless the whole lot. I thank all of life for giving to me these fruits of the forest I give back to thee. There you go, little fellas. Enjoy. Only then would she offer her medicine infused with love, care, and honor to those who had cued. This should help all of you to feel better real soon. She finished her work at the end of the day. With sun setting slowly, she packed things away. As she washed her pot and swept her floor, she gave thanks to life. Oh, life I adore. I love that you nourish my pot and my cat, my patients and friends, my broom and my hat. Thank you for being so loving to me. Thank you, great life. May all beings be free. Now I'd like to share a bedtime bubble spell. Let's make a cozy bubble of love to help you sleep snugly. First, raise your wand toward the sky. Make a circle, close one eye. Imagine a bubble grows from your heart and surrounds you with love so sleep time can start. Color it gently with light shades of blue or purple or yellow, especially for you. Breathe out the day and breathe in the night. Sleep safely, my love, in your bubble of light. Good night.